Hi everyone. Today we will continue the lesson article that is a and the. I hope you have enjoyed and understood the lesson on article in our previous class. Today we will learn a few interesting ways to use articles in grammar and in our daily conversation. Children, you all know that articles are the three important words, that is a and the. In your syllabus you have only a and, that is only indefinite article. So the definition of article: an article is a word used before a noun that indicates whether or not the reference is to specific or an unspecific one. Now, indefinite article, an, a. When to use an? We'll use an before a vowel sound. We all know that there are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. So, before the vowel sound, you can use an. Now see, an, ant, an, a. Next, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. So all these words starting with vowel sound. This one, ant, a, egg, e, ice cream, also vowel sound, orange, also vowel sound, umbrella, also starting with vowel sound. So we are using an before those words. Now next article, a. So we can use a before consonant sound. We all know there are 21 consonants, all the alphabets from A to Z except A, E, I, O, U are consonant. Example: a box, a cat, a duster, a fan, a goat, a hen. So we are using a before those words, as these words are beginning with vowel consonant sound. There is no vowel sound here, only consonant sound, and we can use a. Children, let us take some more examples. Here you can see a is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a book, a chair, a cup, a boy, a cat, a tree. So here all those words are beginning with consonant sound and we are using a, not an. Next you can see an is used before words beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an orange, an ice cream, an egg, an ink pot, an umbrella. We also write an as an ant, an owl, an eye, an artist, an elephant, an hour, an honest person. All those words beginning with a vowel sound and we are using an, not a. These two words say honest, hour. Okay, first H is silent and the pronunciation is honest, not honest. Okay, so we will not pronounce H. Okay, instead of H we will start with O, hour, honest, and we will not use a, we have to use an. Okay, next, a or an, any one person or thing, the definite person or things. A before a consonant sound and before a vowel sound. We use a or an while talking of any one person or thing. We use the while talking of a definite person or thing. That is the difference. A house. Here we are using a house. That means any house. It is not in a particular house. Okay. But here you see the house in which we live. Okay. Here it is particular. The house where you live. The particular house. You are not living in any house. So here the is used. Not a or an. A or an we can use a or an when we denote a thing that is in general it is not particular, that is indefinite. But if it is specific or definite thing, then we have to use the. We use the special name of places, river, mountain, ranges, book, etc. The Taj Mahal, the Ganga, the Gita. We can use the sun, the moon, the earth. Now children, let's come to your chapter of your chapter number 3, page 8. Name of the chapter A and An. So there is an exercise for you. Underline the words that begin with a vowel. Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O and U. Children, here you have to underline the words that begin with a vowel sound. Okay? Elephant, apple, umbrella, book, ape, ice, orange, ox, sheep, train, egg, chair. Okay? This exercise you have to only underline those words that begin with a vowel sound. Okay? No need to insert a or an. Next page, page 9. Here are some examples. An elephant. Before elephant, you have to use an. An arrow, a giraffe. Okay? This is the difference between a and an. Here you can use an before vowel sound, but a we have to use before consonant sound. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. The letters that are not vowels are called consonant. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. Next is a note for you. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. The letters A, E, I, O and U are vowels. The rest of the letters are called consonant. Okay. Now this is a fill in the blanks for you. You have to write A or N before those words. Okay. Next is another fill in the blanks with A or N. In each question there are two sentences. You have to write A or N in all those sentences. There are some pictures for you. Okay, so that you will get interest. This is page 10. The last page of this chapter, page 11. Okay. Now question number C. I opened the refrigerator and found many things in it. Write A or N before each word. So after opening the refrigerator, you also used to see many things. Here you can see there are many things. There are tomato, watermelon, juice, ice tray, cheese, oranges, carrot, banana and many more. Some bottles are there. So what you have to do? You have to write those words. Okay, here some words are given. There are 8 questions. You have to write A or N. Okay, all those things are there in the refrigerator, and before those words you have to write A or N. That is the sound. The word is beginning with a vowel sound or consonant sound. Okay, children, no more today. In our next class we will discuss this exercise of your book, and I will attach this chapter with solved exercise on our website. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.